this is Deborah Baker with TrustedCISO, and today I'm going to be talking about free AWS training and exam prep in 5 minutes. Now, first off, what do you know about coding? Just kidding. You do not have to know how to code or program in order to move into cybersecurity. So all of these cloud certifications and training courses that I'm going to be talking about today, you do not need to know how to code. If you do know how to code, that's awesome and amazing, but it's not a prerequisite. So let's talk about the free AWS training. There are 500 plus free courses on AWS, 25 learning plans, and free exam prep. Basically, these are the job titles that map to the learning plans that we're going to be talking about today. So, and these are all introductory. So, the first one is AWS Cloud Practitioner. The annual salary is $124,000. For the systems operator, it's $130,000. And for the cloud architect, it's $155,000. Now, if that didn't get you interested, I'm not sure what is. But now we're going to move on and I'm going to talk to you about how you can do these free AWS training. So, first off, you're probably wondering, where do you start? Well, if you're brand new to cloud and you really, don't know what it is and need to understand it, or feel like you need to go back and look at the basics, maybe you know a little bit about it, then you need to start with the AWS Cloud Essentials Learning Plan. These learning, because it bundles the courses that you need in order to prepare for a certain exam. And also you can actually get a digital badge that you can put like on your LinkedIn page or in your resume that is just as good as having the official certification. So essentially, once you've done the Cloud Essentials, then you can do the AWS Systems Operator Learning Plan. And so this is like the next level. What you'll be learning is about AWS is basically how to be a system administrator, operator, engineer. It's going to tell you how to automate applications, networks, systems, and also it's going to introduce you to AWS design principles. Finally, we have the AWS Solutions Architect Learning Plan. And so this is actually when you're going to be designing AWS clouds, how to be secure. It's going to go over AWS security, identification, authentication, security groups versus network access control lists, and much more, because this is actually 42 courses plus exam prep. So in the learning plan, at the very end, it'll actually have an exam prep module that will get you prepared. So for the Cloud Essentials, it's the AWS Cloud Practitioner. For the systems operator, it's AWS Certified SysOps Administrator. And for the solutions architect, it's the AWS Certified Solutions Architect. And these are at the associate levels because these are the introductory. Now there's also separate test question prep that is free. So, and I've got links to all of these under this video in the description, but there's actual official practice questions that you can take to, enforce what you've learned. And now this is something new that when I was doing this research that I found is they have cert quiz shows for the system operator exam and the solutions architect. And there's several episodes for each. and they actually go through, they read the question. So if you're an auditory learner, this is, a great way just to listen and go through these questions, and they'll talk about why is this the correct question, why this isn't, and things like that. So it's a really great way to reinforce what you've learned. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell so that you get notifications for any new videos that I create. I'll be creating more breaking down and demystifying cybersecurity in less than 10 minutes, and also covering ways to get into cybersecurity and transition no matter what level you're at. Thanks for watching.